Me I tell you, today me sit down outside my veranda and me see somebody come visit me. Two little friend, two little birdies. Actually used to be three of them, but today it's only two. Guys, you see the camera go all over the place because them are fly and me I try catch it. But it no work out. So me have to wait till them they are grown. Yes guys, these little birds come visit me every day. Every day. So today me decide to make a little video and show on what going in my front yard. Beautiful birds. And them kinda tame. Guys, me don't know them name. Me gonna say them yellow. And they're beautiful. They come here every day, guys. In the evening, when the sun cool, come feed. So today, I plan to show you guys my little friends. Guys, as me say, the camera all over the place. Come here, try get them when them a move up and down. This little dog now, that's the pretty two little bird them. But um I'm not gonna make him trouble them, guys. The puppy them will come over here and our puppy them. I don't know where them come from. But every evening, I don't know, it come like in time, everything when we eat. Them just reach and we feed them, so that's why them will come over here. Yes guys, this is happening right in front of my eyes. Guys, they're so beautiful. They're yellow with a little green in the feather and black, but mostly yellow, guys, with red around the mouth and the eyes. As I said before, I don't know what they're called. All I know is a bird in name. I don't know the name for them. But guys, you see the camera all over the place. Me reach out, I don't know. Try follow them up and down because they're so beautiful. My God, they're so beautiful, guys. Wow. Guys, wow. Well guys, it's not a long video, so I'm coming up to the end of this video. I know it's not perfect because me all over the place. I try get them when them fly and all these things. So just letting you see them right here, guys. They're so beautiful, feeding. Yes guys, thanks for watching.